This is Eric Muadh, Muadh.com. Let's take a look at Dashcoin, which has had a nice couple of days to the upside, and we're going to be taking a look at the 4 hourly. And we can see here that if I draw a single simple line, something like that, we can see that what this line gives us is a nice breakout. And to be clear, the line connects the RSI highs here and this high. And then, of course, we get this movement above, which is a RSI trendline breakout. And, of course, it gives us this entry probability there. Now, what I was going to discuss is if you extend the same line, the line continues to be relevant in the following sense. Notice how we bounce on this line twice with uniform action for the lows here. And then again, over the last day or so, we bounced on the same line with uniform action, which gave us these lows here. It's another way of saying that one can hold as long as the stock is holding this line. And any successful bounce on this line down the road is going to be a bullish entry. And a break below this line down the road can be in itself a signal to get out. So the main takeaway here is by extending our RSI line, we get nice re-entry levels, or gives us a different perspective and a reason to hold for these lows here. Another way one can approach this situation is just take the recent hourly closing high, which would be here. And the level there is 119.32. So this is the short-term breakout level in terms of the 4 hourly. And one can also watch that, because as long as the stock is trading above that price, then the breakout continues to be successful. We know that a failed breakout can cause problems. So that's another way of watching this situation. We have a RSI telling us to continue holding as long as the stock is above the black line. And then we have this price breakout at 119.32 telling us to continue holding as long as the crypto, which is Dashcoin, is holding above 119.32. Failure to hold above this price level, of course, would be bearish in the short term. And failure to hold above the black line would also be bearish in the short term. Eric Muadh, Muadh.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.